Here with Mark Letestu, Blue Jackets getting set to take on the Edmonton Oilers tonight. Mark, last game, a lot of activity, a lot of defense was played more than offense against Vancouver. How do you turn that around tonight and get on the board against this team and a hot goalie in Hobby Bullen who had a shutout his last time out?
Yeah, I think we have to take that work ethic and that commitment in the D zone to the offensive zone. I think as a group of forwards, we've maybe been focusing, solely on the D zone and then keeping the puck out of the net where, as a group, we just haven't been productive enough up front. We got to give Bob some run support or decent run support, and hopefully that trend starts tonight.
That's always been the constant, though. He's back there. He gives you a chance to win, gives you a chance to get a point. How big has that been for you guys, even on nights when you are struggling and it's going to be hard to get the puck to the net?
Yeah, he's been good, but that's his job, is to give us a chance to win every night. He's been obviously exceptional with the shutouts and then keeping games, 1 goal or 2 goals. But again, the run support we got to give him. It's got to be better, and hopefully, again, give him a break every now and again.
Well, again, this team is coming off a shutout in St. Louis, which was a big win for them, but you've played them tough 2 times this year. One time they beat you in overtime, the other time you got them. How do you see this one shaping up tonight?
It would be, I guess the past is the predictor for the future. We expect another close game. They're 2 points behind us. They're at home. They're going to come out desperate, and we have to match that off the start and hopefully, cash in on some opportunities tonight. Speaking
of being at home, you're pretty close here, about 2 hours from your home. Is it still nice for you to come back to this part of the world?
Yeah, it's always nice to see Mom and Dad. They don't get out to Columbus all that often, so when you get to come home and see Mom and Dad and some family, it's a nice refresher and can kind of give you some energy for the rest of the year.
But it's like the middle of July. It's like 40 degrees here. What's going on?
It's beautiful here. You guys should enjoy this.
Mark, thanks. Good luck.
No problem.